Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Facebook Messenger message not sent. This person is not receiving message right now problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Long press or long tap in Messenger application. Go to apps info or I button. Click on storage. Again click on clear data. Tap on clear cache data. Step 2. Open Play Store. Go to search icon. Search Messenger app. Update your Messenger application latest version. Step 3. Open your phone setting. Search Wi-Fi or mobile network connection. You make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile network connection is stable connection. Step 4. Restart your device and again open it. You can follow all of the steps to fix Facebook Messenger message not sent. This person is not receiving message right now problem solved.